Okay, yesterday, I'm not sure what time, well, just before I was about to do my thing, I got a buzzer. I didn't realize it. My phone wasn't near me. And I got a package in the mail. I do believe this is TBird and Throttle, so we'll find out in a sec. As you can see, this package, I just went and picked it up from the post office. So, this is the shipping label. As you can see, I have blacked out my name and the address of the person sending it to me. So I didn't black out Canada, but everybody knows I'm in Canada, right? So, and there's of course thing. So flip it over. Let's see. There, we need our X-Acto knife. Get through this tape. Okay, so we know Gemini Comic Supply. I was right. TBird and Throttle. So here, let's see what we got. Everything we got. I'll do a reading for this in a couple days. Oh. Okay. So let's see. Let's definitely get it out. And we've got some trading cards here, nice and thick. I might do this over two things. Ooh, double cover on the front, cover on the back. The first thrilling issues in the adventures of Centennial City's heroic duo, TBird and Throttle. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, it's upside down. So, obviously, although they did the cover on the front, a back cover, showing it as well. Number one. So I'm just gonna written and illustrated by Josh Howard. Title and logo by Jim. However you pronounce that name. JoshHoward.net. So. Yeah, so this is looking good. I know I got number 0 online. He sent it to me, the link or whatever. I have yet to read it, so there is that. And we'll take a look through number 2. Number 2's just got the no TBird or Throttle. Part 2. Boom, 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 boom. So, yeah, we'll take a day or whatever and go through this, or go through them bit by bit. They are thick, nice and thick. I think they're supposed to be 60 pages, if I remember right. So, yeah, these look awesome. To be continued in 3 of 4, late 2019. Ooh, he looked ticked off. Okay, so let's see what we got here for TBird and Throttle. We got TBird, and on the back, just TBird and Throttle. No information. Again, TBird and Throttle. No information. The engine. It would have been nice if he put some information on the back just besides the picture of these people. You know, that's my personal opinion. We got Jack Gruesome. I do like his design for this, though. And let's see. Moon Men. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. And it would have been nice if they would have been numbered. That way you know which order that they're supposed to go into. And Team Triad. Ooh, Superman, Batman, Wonder Woman. Nice homage, Josh. Okay, so I guess that is it for this unboxing. Like I said, I'm going to do a read-through. I hope Josh doesn't mind. I've got to get back to doing some read-throughs of comics. Okay, remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, share, and comment. Thumbs up. Out, people.